How to fix a ring light that won't turn on. When your ring light doesn't turn on, it can be frustrating. 7 reasons that causes problem on ring lights. 1. Batteries are dead. To check the battery, you need to unscrew the light from the stand. 2. The power cord is not plugged in. The light will not turn on if the power cord is not plugged in. 3. The light is damaged. If the light won't turn on, it might be damaged. 4. The ring light is not assembled correctly. There are usually 3 parts to a ring light: the light itself, the power cord, and the stand. 5. Problem in the circuit. This can be caused by various things, like a loose wire or a blown fuse. 6. Loose wires. If the ring light is not turning on, it could be because of loose wires. 7. The fuse is blown. Another possibility is that the fuse is blown. 8 effective ways on how to fix a ring light that won't turn on. 1. Check your power source. The most common reason a ring light won't turn on is that it's not getting power. 2. Check the lamp beads. If your ring light won't turn on, the lamp beads may be the problem. 3. Try a different outlet. If your ring light still doesn't turn on, try plugging it into a different outlet. 4. Soldering the wires. If there are any loose or broken wires, you may be able to fix them by soldering them. 5. Check the connections. If they're still not working, try replacing the batteries or power cord. 6. Clean the contacts. If your ring light still doesn't turn on, the problem may be with the contacts. 7. Replace the old batteries. If your ring light uses batteries, then the batteries may be simply too old and need to be replaced. 8. Restart the dimmer. The dimmer may be the problem if your ring light is equipped with a dimmer. Troubleshooting your ring light. With these simple troubleshooting tips, you should be able to fix a ring light that won't turn on in no time. Can a ring light burn out? The most common reason a ring light stops working is that the bulbs have reached the end of their life. Frequently asked questions. What do you do when your ring light won't turn on? There are a few things that you can do if your ring light won't turn on. Can a ring light burn out? However, if you are consistent with using it and make sure that the batteries are fresh, your ring light should last for many years. Can a ring light work without electricity? Ring lights can be powered by electricity or not. Are ring lights rechargeable? Most of the time, a ring light will last anywhere from 1 to 3 months depending on how often it is used. Final words. You can do a few things if your ring light isn't turning on: check the power cord, make sure the light is properly plugged in, or replace the battery.